Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery on a Cadillac XT5. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. Safety is paramount, so wear gloves and eye protection. For the XT5, the battery is located under the hood on the driver's side of the vehicle. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by loosening and removing the negative terminal cable first. This prevents accidental short circuits. Next, disconnect the positive terminal cable. After both cables are free, unfasten any battery hold-down clamps or straps. Carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, car batteries are heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift with your legs. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits firmly. Secure it with the hold-down clamps. Now, connect the positive terminal cable first, tightening it securely. Then, connect the negative terminal cable, ensuring a snug fit. Before you finish, double-check that both battery terminals are tight and secure. You can apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals for added protection. Now, start your Cadillac XT5 to ensure everything is working correctly. You might need to reset your radio presets or clock. Finally, remember to properly recycle your old battery at an authorized facility. Never just throw it away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.